Please be seated. Indonesia, the biggest archipelago country in the world, consisting of 17,000 islands, making it so rich with cultural diversity. The beauty of this can be seen through its music and dances, as our nation is home to a wide variety of musical instruments, each telling its own story and reflecting the unique heritage of different regions. Among these beautiful instruments are the sasando from Nusa Tenggara Timur on the island of Rote, and the sape from Dayak community of the Borneo Island. Today, we'd like to take you to experience a touch of our culture, as this performance will take you on a journey through the heart of our cultural heritage through the combination of dance and music from various regions in Indonesia with a touch of modernity. We proudly present a captivating performance featuring both the sasando and sape and traditional dances from the home we call Nusantara. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ganzerlana and Team Roro.
Hidup sejahtera di khatulistiwa, alam berseri-seri bunga beraneka, bahagia ramah-ramah.
Chief Executives of ASEAN Railways, distinguished delegates and participants, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the opening ceremony of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference, Driving Sustainability with Digital Innovation. It is truly an honor to stand before you as your master of ceremony. My name is Sasha Lauder, and it is a privilege to be able to guide you through this event today. But before we begin, I would like to take this time to welcome our guest of honors, the Minister of Transportation of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Budi Karya Sumadi. Good morning and a very warm welcome. The Ambassador of Bangladesh to Indonesia, His Excellency Mr. Tariqul Islam. The Acting Governor of West Java, Mr. Bey Mahmudin. We'd like to also greet the Steering Committee of the 44th ARCEOS and President Director of PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero, Mr. Didik Hardantio. Philippine National Railways, Philippines, Attorney Celeste de Lauta. Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad Malaysia yang berbahagia Datuk Emrani Hisham Somsudin. Railways Department, Ministry of Public Work and Transportation, Cambodia, Mr. Ray Rom. Lao National Railways, Lao, Mr. Dauchinda Siharat. Myanmar Railways, Myanmar, Mr. Nyi Sway. State Railway of Thailand, Mr. Anand Ponimdang. Vietnam Railways, Vietnam, Mr. Huang Gia Can. And of course, esteemed CEO of ASEAN Railways, distinguished delegates, observers, guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is such an honor for all of us to be here today and all of the esteemed delegates representing the 8 ASEAN countries. And your presence today, ladies and gentlemen, is a testament of our commitment together to enhance the railway connectivity and the cooperation in our region. So, with that, let's start this morning by giving a big round of applause for all of us joining. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's conference is particularly significant as we focus on the theme, Driving Sustainability with Digital Innovation. In an era where sustainability is vital, our emphasis on digital innovation presents an opportunity to transform our railways into a more efficient, environmentally friendly, and also resilient system. We are very excited to bring you a day filled with insightful discussions, innovative presentations, and also opportunities to collaborate and share knowledge. But before we move on to our next segment today, I would like to take this moment to recognize our sponsors who have played a crucial role in making this event a success. So thank you very much to Progress Rail Locomotive, PT Transavia Utama, PT Bukit Asam Tbk, PT Industri Kereta Api Persero, CRRC Qingdao Shifang, PT Imeco Intersarana, Pao To Piefang Chuangye Company Limited, PT Mustika Indah Permai, PT Dizamatra Powerindo, Waptek Corporation System LLC, PT Bank Rakyat Indonesia, PT Bank Mandiri Persero Tbk, PT Bank Syariah Indonesia Tbk, PT Land Railway System, Voestalpine Railway System Asia Co Ltd, CRRC Yangtze Group Co Ltd, PT Siemens Mobility Indonesia, PT Pindad Persero, PT Golden Gate Borneo, PT Manambang Muara Enim, PT Etika Sumber Alam, PT Adi Karya Persero Tbk, PT City Vision, PT Sinergi Lestari Pratama, Indonesia Financial Group, PT Asuransi Jiwa IFG, PT Bank Negara Indonesia Persero Tbk, PT Asuransi Wahana Tata, PT Asuransi Jasa Raharja Putra, PT Winesti Citra Perdana, PT Baramulti Sugi Sentosa, PT PT Asuransi Jasa Indonesia Persero, PT Asuransi Kredit Indonesia, PT Jaminan Kredit Indonesia, PT BPR Syariah Baiturida, PT Telekomunikasi Selular, PT Finet Indonesia, PT Budi Gema Gempita, and PT Rinti Sejahtera. With an extensive set of our sponsor, let's give them a big round of applause for their support. Again, we are truly very grateful for this partnership. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue our program today, it is important for all of us to reflect on our remarkable journey that has brought us to where we are today. We will now take a moment to revisit at the milestones and also all of the achievements of the ASEAN Railway CEOs Conference through a special video. Here it is.
ASEAN Railways. From connecting the lives of our people to contributing the growth of our nation. A network that empowers our nation by connecting communities and unlocking opportunities for a thriving and collaborative future. Railway is beyond transportation. Today's challenges are opportunities for growth, driving us to innovate and adapt. Through resilience, we pave the way for a promising future with sustainable impact. A future that moves at lightning speed, rewarding those who act wisely and embrace change. Let's envision tomorrow together. A future we must shape today for the generations of tomorrow, for a greener world, for a sustainable future. Welcome, participants from Southeast Asia. Together, we build the future with the synergies among railway corporations. The 44th ASEAN Railway CEOs Conference, driving sustainability with digital innovation.
Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. As the video has highlighted the progress that we have made and also all the innovations that have shaped the ASEAN railways over the years. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, now we'd like to kindly invite to deliver his welcoming remarks the steering committee of the 44th ARCEOS Conference and the President, Director of PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero. Please welcome Mr. Didik Hartantio.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellencies, Bapak Budi Karya Sumadi, Minister of Transportation of Indonesia, terima kasih Pak Menteri. Bapak Bey Mahmudin, Pejabat Gubernur Jawa Barat, yang kami hormati, terima kasih. Bapak Muhammad Rizal Wasal, Director General of Indonesian Railways, Ministry of Transportation. Your Excellencies, Mr. Tariqul Islam, Bangladesh Ambassador, thank you very much. All CEO and Head of Delegation of ASEAN Railways from Cambodia, Malaysia, Philippines, Laos, Thailand, and Vietnam. Observer, sponsors, and all distinguished guests. Ladies and gentlemen, selamat pagi. Salam sejahtera. Good morning, welcome to Bandung. Welcome to Indonesia. It is my honor to welcome you to the 44th Annual ASEAN Railways CEO Conference. Our goal is to strengthen connection and cooperation among railways operators and industrial leaders of ASEAN. Together, we can accomplish more and truly embody ASEAN spirit, the spirit of mutual support, shared success, and collective resilience in overcoming challenges. This year, 2024, our theme is driving sustainability with digital innovation. We believe these themes come from the global challenges we face, including the urgent need to address climate change, enhance operational efficiency, and meet the growing demand for more sustainable transportation. Honorable ASEAN Railway leaders, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the COP28 conference marked a turning point for Southeast Asia, with nearly all ASEAN member states committing to net zero emission, covering 91% of the region's carbon output. For railways, this translates into an urgency to align our operation with our national net zero goals. By advancing digital innovation, we can improve efficiency, reduce our carbon footprint, and contribute to the transition to a low-carbon economy. Ladies and gentlemen, this year marks a significant milestone for ASEAN railway development, particularly in Indonesia. We are deeply honored and proud to announce the successful completion of 2 national strategic projects entrusted to Kereta Api Indonesia. The first ever Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway in ASEAN, WUS, and the Jabodetabek Light Rail Transit (LRT) in Indonesia. Furthermore, Kereta Api Indonesia is undergoing a transformative journey throughout sustainable investment focused on enhancing employee welfare and advancing the implementation of ESG, environment, social, and governance principles. Over the next 4 days, we will engage in discussion to essential topics, exchange ideas, and refine our strategies for the sustainable future of the railway industry, with a special focus in ASEAN. We are also excited to offer you cultural experience that showcase the beauty and tradition of Indonesia, especially in Sundanese. Our journey will begin with CEO meetings today, where we will share insights and develop strategies for ongoing growth and sustainability of our railway. Additionally, we will participate in a tree planting activity to symbolize our commitment to sustainability. In the evenings, you will have the opportunity to enjoy the cultural performance and traditional dances accompanied by a taste of authentic Javanese cuisine. As we progress through the conference, I encourage everyone to engage fully in sharing your insight and exploring future opportunities for international collaboration to build a more sustainable and digitally innovative future for ASEAN railways. We are confident that this conference will not only strengthen cooperation among railways operations, but also promote sustainability and digital innovation in the spirit of ASEAN unity. We are honored with your presence. Thank you very much for your partnership and dedication to the railway industry. Together, we can build a future where railways connect our countries and support the growth and success of ASEAN. I wish you all a successful and enjoyable conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Didik Hartantio. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are also very honored to have with us the Minister of Transportation of the Republic of Indonesia. And it is now my privilege to invite To deliver his remarks on the stage, please welcome Mr. Budi Karya Sumadi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, dan salam kebajikan. And very good morning for all of you. Mr. Bay Mahmudin, Acting Governor, West Java. Mr. Tarzo Islam, Ambassador of Bangladesh, Chairman, ASEAN Railway CEO Meeting 2024. They are from Cambodia. Please sit. Standing, Cambodia. From Thailand, from Laos, from Malaysia, from Myanmar, from Philippines, and also from Vietnam. The high-rank official within Ministry and Agency, and ladies and gentlemen. Today, welcome to Bandung, Indonesia, and I am very happy because we can together build the railway in ASEAN. On occasion, I would like to thank the Indonesian Railway Company, Pak Didi. Please standing, applause for him. He's my friend to walking and running. Yesterday, we ran and running together, make it slimmer and trimmer. And also, I would like to include my sincere gratitude to all participants. I look from all the Asian countries come, make it, we can discussion more detail to improve our railway industry. I have pleasure for me to join other distinguished speakers to many share my view and this very timely and relevant theme for our beloved railway sector. For your information, railway is very popular in Indonesia. This is the model is favorite. For example, in Jakarta, 1.2 million every day moving in Jakarta with all model, MRT, LRT, and railway. And we still want to make the new technology is autonomous rail transit. That's why if we talking about the railway, one side when we open high-speed train was viral. Many people talking about the WOOS, high-speed train. The speed is 350 kilometers, wow. But if we have a mistake, it's very problem. That's why I am appreciate, please your discussion about that, how we make it high-speed train, not only up to Bandung, but up to Surabaya, Pak Didi. And also, we not only talking about development in Jakarta, Bandung, but we plan in the 10 cities in Indonesia with the mass transportation, means the majority is railway sector. We're talking about the high-speed train. I think, thank you very much from the China, maybe join here. Please standing from the China. We're happy we can won the country, all the technology from the China here. And we also try to make it, this is a laboratorium, to make it not only as user. One day, we hope we together, all ASEAN countries, can build together, not only Indonesia. Please you give information to your president. We together improve the high-speed train. In terms of urban railway, same like I talked before, we are working extend our MRT network, ongoing construction for MRT. Now it's already north-south. We still build starting east-west, and we still running for the big cities like Surabaya, Medan, maybe Makassar. And also we already finished LRT, Jabodebek, means in Jakarta. The rolling stock built majority from Indonesia, Inca. And for the Northwest, and the newest is autonomous railway transit in Nusantara, new capital of Indonesia. And we hope not in Nusantara, new capital, many cities try to build for the connectivity in big city. The line will complement the existing urban railway network in Jakarta, and hopefully could be the immersion solution for our people mobility. Ladies and gentlemen, I am strongly believe that development of our railway sector, I still mean it in the right lane toward glorious future. Therefore, we should take the momentum of the day, occasional, to foster cooperation and build stronger relationship to enhance this matter. I really look forward to having more discussion. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Mr. Budikarya Sumadi. Please kindly remain on the stage to do the opening procession. Joining the Minister for the opening ceremony, we'd like to invite, come and join us on stage, the Acting Governor of West Java, Mr. Bey Mahmudin, and also the Steering Committee of the 44th CEOs Conference and the President Director PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero, Mr. Didik Hartantyo. Ladies and gentlemen, the Minister will initiate a face scanning process in front of our ceremonial totem. And with that, we will begin in just a short moment. Ladies and gentlemen, we are thrilled to showcase a cutting-edge technology that symbolizes our commitment to innovation in the railway sector. And now, we will do the countdown from 3. And on the count of 1, Mr. Budi Karya Sumadi will take one step forward, closer to the totem, and proceed to initiate the face scanning process. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start the countdown together. 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference is officially open. Gentlemen, please kindly remain on the stage, as now we'd like to continue to do a photo session together. Gentlemen, let's take a look to the photographers. In front of you in the center, big smiles as we have officially opened this conference together. 3, 2, 1. One more time. All right, and now I would like to invite the representatives from the Southeast Asian member countries to please come and join us on stage for a commemorative group photo. From Philippine National Railways, Philippines, Attorney Celestin Hota, please to come and join us. Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad Malaysia yang berbahagia Dato' Imrani Hisham Samsudin. Railways Department, Ministry of Public Work and Transportation Cambodia, Mr. Bray Bong. Lao National Railways, Lao, Mr. Dauchinda Siharat. Myanmar Railways, Myanmar, Mr. Nyi Yiswe. State Railway of Thailand, Mr. Anand Ponimdang. Vietnam Railways, Vietnam, Mr. Huang Yakan. And we'd like to also invite to come and join us the Ambassador of Bangladesh for Indonesia. Please to come and join us, ladies and gentlemen, at this moment. We'd like to take this time to, of course, invite His Excellency Mr. Tariqul Islam. Ladies and gentlemen, let us capture this moment as we celebrate our collective commitment to innovation and also sustainability in the railways industry. Let's take this time to give our biggest smiles to the camera. 3, 2, 1. And now, for the next photo session, we'd like to capture a more relaxed moment, perhaps. I kindly invite all of you to hold hands with each other. Let's cross our hands, symbolizing our unity and collaboration. Gentlemen. Let's cross our hands together in front of our party and joined together with the ladies and gentlemen right beside you. Symbolizing our unity and collaboration, working together in this railway industry to make this region better. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. You may now return to your seats. Thank you very much for joining us on stage. Thank you. Of course, we are more than delighted to have the representatives of the 8 ASEAN countries to join us today. After holding the opening ceremony of the 44th ASEAN Railways CEO Conference. Ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to invite all of you to partake in a coffee break, and we'd like to invite you to please do feel free to explore the exhibition. And for your information, we also have refreshment stalls prepared just outside this room. And to stay hydrated and to stay in line with our sustainability theme, we have set up also some water stations in this area on your side, to your left and to your right. So if you'd like to refill your water bottle, please do feel free to do so. And again, we'd like to take this time to extend a heartfelt thanks to our sponsors, Progress Rail Lokomotif, PT Transavia Utama, PT Bukit Asam Tbk, PT Industri Kereta Api Persero, CRRC Qingdao Shifeng, PT Imeco Intersarana, Pauto Piefang Chuangye Co Ltd, PT Mustika Indah Permai, PT Dizamatra Power Indo, Waptek Corporation System LLC, PT Bank Rakyat Indonesia, PT Bank Mandiri Persero Tbk, PT Bank Syariah Indonesia Tbk, PT Land Railway System, Voice Turbine Railway System Asia Co Ltd, CRRC Yangtze Group Co Ltd, PT Siemens Mobility Indonesia, PT Pindad Persero, PT Golden Great Borneo, PT Manambang Muara Enim, PT Etika Sumber Alam, PT Adikarya Persero Tbk, PT City Vision, PT Sinergi Lestari Pratama, Indonesia Financial Group, PT Asuransi Jiwa AFG, PT Bank Negara Indonesia Persero Tbk, PT Asuransi Wahana Tata, PT Asuransi Jahasara Hazra Putra, PT Winesti Citra Perdana, PT Barang Multi Sugi Sentosa, PT Asuransi Jasa Indonesia Persero, PT Asuransi Kredit Indonesia, PT Jaminan Kredit Indonesia, PT BPR Syariah Bahiturida, PT Telekomunikasi Selular, PT Finet Indonesia, PT Budi Gema Gempita, dan PT Renti Sejahtera. Thank you so much once again. We are truly grateful for the support and partnership. And ladies and gentlemen, our next agenda, after this, we will start with the plenary meeting and we will continue with the steering session from Progress Rail Lokomotif and PT Industri Kereta Api. We will resume the next agenda in approximately 30 minutes and we'd like to welcome you back inside the ballroom just very soon. And with that, please enjoy your coffee break. Thank you so much and we'll be right back. Thank you.
You transport people and goods millions of miles every day. By minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency, we're here to ensure a successful journey for each one of those miles. Your operation requires trusted and reliable solutions. We are proud to offer our full line of iconic EMD locomotives and engines, rail cars, track work, fasteners, signaling, rail welding, and maintenance of way equipment to meet those needs. Every mile of the journey, we keep you rolling.
Setiap gerak kami adalah fondasi untuk menjadi perusahaan energi kelas dunia yang peduli lingkungan. Kami memasuki era digitalisasi dan elektrifikasi untuk meningkatkan kapasitas produksi dan efisiensi. Kami tak sekedar mengeksplorasi, tapi juga peduli pada masa depan planet bumi. Kami persembahkan sebuah warisan energi tanpa henti untuk negeri ini.
Driving sustainability with digital innovation. Driving sustainability with digital innovation.
Our journey together has contributed to shaping this nation's great history. We continue to move forward, racing through its process, working wholeheartedly with competence and loyalty. We adapt and innovate constantly for the progress of the nation. Kereta Api Indonesia is always in our hearts and loyal to the community. In this journey, we grow together to provide convenience, realize dreams, tackle challenges, and serve as a transportation solution throughout the years. We believe our current existence cannot be separated from the trust of the community that always moves forward with us. By maintaining trust, harmony is maintained. Providing the best service, comfort, and safety. And creating memorable experiences on every journey is our main responsibility. Kereta Api Indonesia continues to strive to maintain trust in the economy. Being responsible in our steps and goals. Ongoing development poses the main challenge for Kereta Api Indonesia to continually provide the best services. We continue to improve our services, maintaining and caring for facilities wholeheartedly. Ensuring comfort, committed to being part of the nation's development, even in the most remote areas.
Your Excellencies, Mr. Didik Hartantio from PT Kereta Api Indonesia, Persero, Indonesia. Attorney Celeste De Lauta from Philippine National Railways, Philippines. Yang berbahagia, Dato' Emrani Hisham Samsudin from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad, Malaysia. Mr. Ray Ron from Railways Department, Ministry of Public Work and Transportation, Cambodia. Mr. Tauchinda Siharat from Lao National Railways, Laos. Mr. Yiswe from Myanmar Railways, Myanmar. Mr. Anand Ponibda from State Railways of Thailand. Mr. Huang Kia Khan from Vietnam Railways, Vietnam. Esteemed CEO of ASEAN Railways, distinguished delegates, observers, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the plenary session of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference. Now, after hopefully a refreshing break and a mesmerizing performance, we are very happy to welcome all of you back here, and it is both a privilege and honor to stand before such a distinguished assembly of leaders, innovators, and also visionaries in the railways industry. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with my great pleasure to invite to the stage Your Excellency, Attorney Celeste De Lauta from Philippine National Railways as the chairwoman of the 43rd ASEAN Railway CEO Conference in Philippines, who will lead us in the formal proceedings. Please join me in giving her a warm welcome.
Thank you very much. Esteemed CEO of ASEAN Railways, distinguished delegates, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is an honor to be here today to share insights and experiences with the esteemed colleagues at the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference. I would like to express my sincere gratitude for the success of the 43rd ASEAN Railway CEO Conference held in Makati City, Philippines in 2023. The insights and progress we have achieved have set a solid stage for the discussions and decisions we will make today. Now, we shall proceed with the formal election of the chairman of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEOs Conference. Firstly, I would like to invite Your Excellency, Datuk Rani Hisham Samsudin from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad to the floor to propose the candidate for the chairman of this year's conference, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Chairwoman. Excuse me. I am Rani Hisham bin Samsudin from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad, KTMB. It is my honor to propose Your Excellency, Mr. Didik Hartantio from PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero as the chairman for the 44th ASEAN Railway CEOs Conference in Indonesia. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Datuk Rani Hisham Samsudin. Now may I request for a second to the proposal.
Much Chairwoman, I'm Tauchinda Siharat from Lao National Railways. I would like to second the motion. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tauchinda Siharat. Now I would like to confirm to Your Excellency, Mr. Didik Hartantio from PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero. Are you prepared to assume the role of the chairman of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference in Indonesia, sir?
Thank you very much, Ms. Chairwoman, Dato' M. Rani Hisham Samsudin, and Mr. Daucinda Sirat for considering me. On behalf of PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero, I would like to say that I am ready to serve as the chairwoman of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference in Indonesia.
Thank you very much, Mr. Didik Hartantio. Ladies and gentlemen, the nomination for the chairman of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference is successfully completed. Now, I would like to invite Your Excellency, Mr. Didik Hartantio from PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero to join the head table and assume the role of the chairman of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference.
Thank you very much, Attorney Celeste Lauta. Distinguished delegates, observers, guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to announce that Your Excellency, Mr. Didik Hartantio, has been appointed as the chairman of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEOs Conference. Mr. Chairman, please join us at the head table.
Thank you very much. Esteemed CEO of ASEAN Railways, distinguished delegates and observers, guests, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the trust you have placed in me as the chairman of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference. The theme for the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference is driving sustainability with digital transformation, innovation. As a chairman, I am honored to welcome you all to this annual event, which has long served as platform for the exchange of understanding, knowledge, and experience, fostering strong bonds within the ASEAN Railways community. In accordance with the conference formal procedure now, I would like to invite the floor to proceed with the election of the vice chairman for the conference. Are there any proposals?
Mr. Chairman, I'm Nyinyi Sri from Myanmar Railway. So I'd like to propose Your Excellencies, Mr. Daucinda Sirait from the Laos National Railways as the vice chairman of the conference. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Daucinda Sirait from Laos National Railways. I would like to inform you that and inform the committee following a decision from the Laos National Railway, we would not be able to be a vice chairman of the 44 ASEAN Railway CEO Conference now due to the limitation of many aspects. We are very young actually. We are very small and we have to learn more about it and get the support more from this. I hope the opportunity for the future to be a host. Consequently, we are deferring our nomination for this year vice chairman role. Instead, I would like to propose that Your Excellency, Dato' Rani from KTMB be nominated as the vice chairman of the conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Daucinda. May I request second for the proposals?
Mr. Chairman, I'm Anand Punimdang from State Railway of Thailand. I would like to second the motion. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the nomination of the vice chairman. Now, I would like to confirm Your Excellency Dato M. Rani Hisham Samsudin from KTMB, are you prepared to assume the role of the Vice Chairman for the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference?
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mr. Dolcinda Siraharat and Mr. Anand Penindang for considering me. On behalf of Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad, I would like to say that I'm ready to serve as the Vice Chairman of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEOs Conference. Thank you.
Now I propose to announce the floor that Your Excellency Dato M. Rani Hisham Samsudin from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad KTMB has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of the 44th ASEAN Railways CEO Conference in Indonesia.
Thank you very much, Mr. Didik Hartantio. Distinguished delegates, observers, guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to announce that Your Excellency Yang Berbahagia Dato' M. Rani Hisham Samsudin has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEOs Conference. Mr. Vice Chairman, please join us at the head table.
Esteemed CEO of ASEAN Railways, distinguished delegates, observers, guests, ladies and gentlemen. To further the proceeding, the draft of the agenda of the meeting has been distributed to all of you. Now, I would like to call for proposal and second for the adoption of the agenda.
Mr. Chairman, I am Rairom from Railway Department, Ministry of Public Work and Transport. I would like to propose that the agenda be adopted. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Hoàng Gia Khánh from Vietnam Railway. I would like to second the motion. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Rairom and Mr. Hoang Gia Kan. To facilitate the meeting sessions, 2 working groups will be established. First is Marketing and Operation Working Group. The second is Technical Working Group. Each group will be led by its respective chairperson. Now I would like to invite the floor to propose the second candidate for the chairperson of the Marketing and Operation Working Group.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Han Yu Quỳnh from Vietnam Railways. I would like to propose Your Excellency Mr. Dani Satriana from PT Kereta Api Indonesia, Pereso, as the chairperson of the Marketing and Operation Working Group. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Roshidi Yahaya from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad. I would like to second the motion. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Han Nung Queen and Mr. Roshidi Yahya for the proposal for the chairperson of the Marketing and Operation Working Group. Now I would like to propose to announce the floor that Your Excellency Mr. Dani Satriana from Kereta Api Indonesia Persero has been appointed as the chairperson of the Marketing and Operation Working Group for the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference in Indonesia.
Thank you very much, Mr. Didik Hartantio, and I am pleased to announce that Your Excellency, Mr. Dani Satriana from PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero has been appointed as the chairperson of the Operation and Marketing Working Group.
And the following, I would like to invite the floor to propose and second the candidate for the vice chairperson of the marketing and working group.
Mr. Chairman, I am Attorney Rochelle Andrea Rizada from the Philippine National Railways. I would like to propose Your Excellency, Mr. Hezri Arifin from Kereta Api Kita Melayu Berhad as the Vice Chairperson of the Marketing and Operation Working Group. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Josulin from Myanmar Railways. I would like to second the motion. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Attorney Rochelle Andrea B. Rizada and Mr. Kyo Sulin for the proposal for the Vice Chairperson of the Marketing and Operation Working Group. Now I propose to announce the floor that Your Excellency Mr. Hezri Arifin from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad KTMB has been appointed as the Vice Chairperson of the Marketing and Operation Working Group for the 44th ASEAN Railways CEO Conference in Indonesia.
Thank you very much, Mr. Didik Hartantio, and I am pleased to announce that Your Excellency, Mr. Hezri Arifin from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad has been appointed as the Vice Chairperson of the Operation and Marketing Working Group.
Esteemed CEO of ASEAN Railways, distinguished delegates, observers, guests, ladies and gentlemen. Now I would like to invite the floor to propose and second candidate for the chairperson of Technical Working Group.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Mr. Chairman, I'm going to leave position point. Lao National Railway, I would like to propose Your Excellency Mr. M. Alif Fudin from PT Kereta Api Indonesia as the chairperson of the Technical Working Group. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chairman, I am Atapon Karpasert from the State Railway of Thailand. I would like to second the motion. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Kongtali Potisomphone and Mr. Atapon Kapraset for the proposal for the chairperson of the Technical Working Group. Now I propose to announce the floor that Your Excellency Mr. M. Arifuddin from PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero has been appointed as the chairperson of the Technical Working Group for the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference in Indonesia.
Thank you very much, Mr. Didik Hartantio, and I am pleased to announce that Your Excellency Mr. Muhammad Arifuddin from PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero has been appointed as the chairperson of the Technical Working Group.
Thank you. And now I would like to invite the floor to propose and second candidate for the Vice Chairperson of the Technical Working Group.
Mr. Chairman, I am Kautona from Railway Department, Ministry of Public Work and Transport of Cambodia. I would like to propose Your Excellency Mr. Afid Kamarul Zaman from KTBM as the Vice Chairman of the Technical Working Group. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Nguyễn Thị Thu Thành from Vietnam Railway. I would like to second the motion. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Kyo Tona and Ms. Nguyen Titu Tan for the proposal for the Vice Chairperson of the Technical Working Group. Now, I propose to announce to the floor that Your Excellency Mr. M. Afik Kamarul Zaman from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad, KTMB, has been appointed as the Vice Chairperson of the Technical Working Group for the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference in Indonesia.
Thank you very much, Mr. Didik Hartantio, and I am pleased to announce that Your Excellency, Mr. Muhammad Afi Kamarul Zaman from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad has been appointed as the Vice Chairperson of the Technical Working Group.
Esteemed CEO of ASEAN Railways, distinguished delegates, observers, guests, ladies and gentlemen. The last on the agenda is the organization of the drafting committee consisting of representatives from each participating railways corporation. May I invite the floor to propose and second the head of drafting committee.
Mr. Chairman, I am Engineer J.P. Arelleve from the Philippine National Railways. I would like to propose Your Excellency, Mr. Diki Arisikam from PT Kereta Api Indonesia, Persero, as the head of the drafting committee. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Tikamon Pondet from State Railway of Thailand. Would like to second the motion. Thank you.
Thank you. Engineer J.P. Relevi and Mr. Chitkamon Pondate for the proposal from the head of the drafting committee. Now I propose to announce to the floor that Your Excellency Mr. Diki Arisikam from PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero has been appointed as the head of the drafting committee for the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference in Indonesia.
Thank you very much, Mr. Didik Hartantio, and I'm pleased to announce that Your Excellency, Mr. Diki Arisikam from PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero has been appointed as the head of the drafting committee.
For the last on the agenda is the organization of the drafting committee consisting of representatives from each participating railways corporation. May I invite the floor to propose and second the assistant head and member of the drafting committee from each corporation.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Nursidata Sunduka from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad. I would like to propose Your Excellency, Mr. Abdul Salim Shah from Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad as the assistant head of the drafting committee. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Wutikai Washington from State Railway of Thailand. I would like to second the moment and propose Your Excellency, Mr. Somsak Lamut from State Railway of Thailand as a member of the drafting committee. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Aung Zae from Myanmar Railways. I would like to second the motion and propose Your Excellency Mr. Cho Sulin from Myanmar Railways as a member of the drafting committee. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Khonsawan Khampiwong from Laos National Railway. I would like to second the motion and propose Your Excellency Ms. Sirimani Inchirat from Laos National Railway as a member of the drafting committee. Thank you so much.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Nguyen Ching Nam from Vietnam Railway. I would like to second the motion and propose Your Excellencies Ms. Nguyen Thị Thu Thành from Vietnam Railway as a member of the drafting committee. Thank you very much.
Mr. Excellency, I'm Ju Pirin from Railway Department, Ministry Public Work and Transport of Cambodia. I like to second motion and propose yours. Right, thank
you. Mr. Chairman, I am Attorney Dagiwa K. Kudalap from the Philippine National Railways. I would like to second the motion
and propose Your Excellency, Attorney Cheyenne Juan T. Monera from the Philippine National Railways as member of the drafting committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the proposal for the assistant head and member of the drafting committee. Now I propose to announce to the floor that all names has been appointed as the assistant head and member of the drafting committee for the 44th ASEAN Railway CEO Conference in Indonesia. On behalf of myself and Mr. Vice Chairman, I would like to extend our sincere gratitude for your active participation and attention. The plenary session is now concluded, and I hereby declare the meeting adjourned. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Didik Hartantio and Dato Emrani Hisham Samsudin for this plenary meeting session. Please kindly remain on the stage as we continue with a photo session together. Next, I would like to invite all CEOs of ASEAN Railways to please make your way up to the stage and join the photo session. Next, I'd like to invite the chairperson and vice chairperson of Technical Working Group. We'd like to also invite the chairperson and vice chairperson of the Operation and Marketing Working Group. Please make your way up to the stage and join the photo session. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You may now return to your seats. And to Mr. Didik Hartantio, please remain on the stage for the next photo session. Next, I'd like to invite the delegates from Indonesia to come join us. Board of Directors of PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero, we'd like to kindly invite you to come join us on stage for the photo session. Thank you very much, Mr. Vice Chairman, for your time. Very soon we will also continue with a photo session with all delegates. All right, let's do another pose. Okay, hands up, everyone. Thank you very much to all delegates from Indonesia. You may return to your seats. And to Mr. Didik Hartantio, please to remain on the stage as we will continue photo session with the Board of Directors. Now we'd like to invite Board of Directors of PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero. We kindly invite to come and join us on stage for a photo session. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain on the stage. And next I'd like to invite Board of Commissioners of PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero. We kindly invite you to come and join us up on stage for a photo group together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please remain where you are. Now we're going to do another one. This is the biggest group photo, again from all delegates from Indonesia. Please make your way back to the stage as we'll take a photo with the Board of Directors and also the Board of Commissioners from PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero. Just shortly after this, we'll also invite for the next photo sessions. It's a time for delegates from Cambodia. So joining after this. Please prepare yourself and we will invite you just in a few more minutes. Thank you. All right, everyone, we'll just make sure that everybody gets a best spot and everybody is seen in the camera. So with that, let's do a countdown and give our biggest smiles to the photographer just in front of you. 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1. And with that, we have concluded the photo session from Indonesia. Thank you very much. To all Board of Directors, Board of Commissioners, and all delegates, thank you. You may make your way back to your seats, and we appreciate your time. Thank you. For the next photo session, we would like to allocate this time to invite the CEO from Railways Department, Ministry of Public Work and Transportation, Cambodia, and all delegates from Cambodia. Please do make your way up to the stage as we'll do a photo group together. All right, our biggest smiles to the camera. And 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much, Cambodia. Thank you so much for your time. You may return to your seats. Next, we'd like to invite to come and join us up on stage, CEO of Laos National Railways, Laos, and also all delegates from Laos. Please do come and join us. Let's take a moment for the camera. Three, two, one. One more time. All right, thank you very much, Laos, for your time. We appreciate you joining us up here on stage. You may return to your seats. Thank you very much. Now we'd like to invite CEO from Kereta Api Melayu Berhad, Malaysia, and all delegates from Malaysia. Please come and join us up on stage. And make sure that we get a perfect line over here. All right. Everybody to camera. 3, 2, 1. One more time. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much, Malaysia, for your time. Thank you for joining us up on stage. You may return to your seats. Thank you. Now we'd like to invite CEO from Myanmar Railways, Myanmar, and all delegates from Myanmar. Please come and join us up on stage. All right, gentlemen, to the camera. 3, 2, 1. Let's do one more picture. And 3, 2, 1. All right, with that, we appreciate Myanmar. Thank you very much for your time and for joining us up here on stage. You may return to your seats. Thank you very much. And now we'd like to take this time to invite on stage CEO from Philippine National Railways, the Philippines, and also all delegates from Philippines. Please do come and join us. All right, everybody ready? Let's take a look to the camera. 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1. All right, thank you very much, Philippines, for joining us up here on the stage. You may return to your seats, and thank you very much. We appreciate your time. Now I'd like to invite a CEO from State Railway of Thailand and all delegates from Thailand. Please come and join us up to the stage. To the camera in 3, 2, 1. Let's do one more. Big smiles. 3, 2, 1. All right, applause. Thank you very much, Thailand, for joining us up here on the stage. Great having all of you for a photo session together. Thank you. You may return to your seats. And now we kindly invite the CEO from Vietnam Railways, Vietnam, and all delegates from Vietnam. Please come and join us. All right, it seems everybody is ready. Let's take a look at the camera. 3, 2, 1. One more time. We'll do a countdown in 3, 2, 1. And with that, thank you very much, Vietnam. Thank you for joining us up on the stage. You may return to your seats. Thank you. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, with that we have concluded all of the photo sessions with all delegates. That symbolizes our unity together, so why don't we close that out with a big round of applause for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. And now that the plenary meeting has been concluded, it means that we will continue, we will proceed with the next agenda. But before we begin, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our platinum sponsors, Progress Rail Locomotive and PT Industri Kereta Api, because your unwavering support and commitment to excellence have played an important role in making this event a success for all of us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to gain a deeper understanding of their innovative contributions to our field, we have a sharing session that hopefully will provide all of us with insights and foster engaging discussions together with our esteemed speakers. For the first session, we will focus on a topic on overview, technology, and also sustainability. This is an incredibly relevant topic as we're about to explore how innovation can support sustainable practices in our field. And to shed light on this important subject, we have the privilege of hearing the presentation from the Managing Director for Asia Pacific at Progress Rail Locomotive. Without further ado, please welcome Mr. Matthew Dunwoody.
Esteemed CEOs of the ASEAN Railways, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to be here representing Progress Rail as the platinum sponsor for the 44th ASEAN Railways CEO Conference here in the lovely city of Bandung. Progress Rail is one of the largest diversified and integrated railway suppliers in the world. We are 100% owned by Caterpillar, and we form the transportation group within the energy and transportation team, along with power generation, oil and gas, industrial, and Cat machines. The Energy and Transportation Group is one of the largest diesel engine manufacturers in the world. We've supplied over 21 million engines in its history, and we're currently producing one new or remanufactured engine every 2 minutes. We have over 750,000 power generation sets that we've delivered. We've got 25,000 locomotives in active service and over 3 billion hours of gas turbine experience. Here at Progress Rail, our strategic goal is to create value and deliver that to our customers. Progress Rail was founded in the US over 40 years ago, and through this commitment to customers has grown to become a global company through both organic growth and acquisition. In 2010, Progress Rail bought the iconic EMD OEM locomotive brand, which has a proud history of over 100 years supplying locomotives to global customers. We now have over 7,000 employees across 19 countries, and we operate out of 3 business segments: locomotive, infrastructure, which does our track and signalling products, and our freight car or freight wagon business. Progress Rail, with its EMD brand, is one of the largest OEM diesel electric locomotive suppliers in the world. Today we have a broad range of locomotives ranging from 90 metric tonne 2,000 horsepower locomotives, which we just delivered to Bangladesh recently, to 180 metric tonne 4,500 horsepower locomotives, 8-axle 5,500 horsepower locomotives, and passenger locomotives that are capable of running 200 kilometres an hour. All of our locomotives use the same portfolio of key products, including our EMD 710 series engine and the Caterpillar engines. But they all use the same state-of-the-art control system and AC traction system, and the same family of generators and traction motors. This ensures our customers get the benefit of decades of experience and reliability of these key components in their new locomotives. Progress Rail has supplied 91 modern GT38 AC locomotives to PTKAI, and those locomotives use these same reliable components. And in February this year, we signed another contract with PTKA for another 54 CC205 locomotives. Progress Rail's locomotive team also provide a wide range of services, from component overhaul to locomotive overhauls, locomotive modernisations and repowers, through to full contract maintenance. The CC205 locomotives in Indonesia are supported by a maintenance service agreement where Progress Rail provides technical support and guarantees availability of spare parts to ensure that the locomotives maintain reliability and availability through their life. And this year, in May, we signed another MSA agreement with PTKA for 35 locomotives that we delivered in 2020. Our infrastructure team provides a wide range of products, including rail turnouts from metro and light systems all the way up to heavy haul rail operations. Progress Rail also provides an extensive range of track fasteners and rail, both used and new. We also supply a broad range of maintenance of way equipment, from ballast regulators through to vegetation control machines to snow and sand removal machines. Our signalling team designs and supplies ETCS systems, ATP systems, and level crossing interlock systems, to name a few. We are also a supplier of signalling infrastructure, control panels, and a wide range of signalling components and power supplies. Progress Rail is also a leading supplier of asset maintenance, asset protection and monitoring systems, including hot wheel and hot bearing detectors, wheel impact monitoring, hot rail detection through to in-track weighing and equipment identification systems. These asset protection systems can all be integrated into our Argus real-time monitoring and alert system and our Oscar condition monitoring and predictive maintenance system. In North America, Progress Rail is a leading supplier of wagon components and the largest supplier of reconditioned axles, wheels and bearings in North America. We also have an extensive network of maintenance facilities providing wagon inspection and wagon maintenance for our customers, and we lease over 23,000 wagons in North America today. We also have a significant recycling business with over 3 million tonnes of rail material recycled at our Albertville yard in Alabama. In keeping with our commitment to sustainability, recycling of material is integrated into our daily operations, from recycling of waste materials in all of our facilities through to our global UTEX component program and our life extension programs for locomotives and wagons. The theme for this year's AR CEO Conference is Driving Sustainability with Digital Innovation. With this in mind, I'd like to present some of the work Caterpillar and Progress Rail are doing to increase sustainability both within our business and for our customers. Our parent company, Caterpillar, has a proud history of innovation and sustainability. In terms of innovation, Caterpillar has invested over $30 billion over the past 20 years in research and development. Today, a significant portion of that research and development is focused on improving sustainability of our operations and developing new products and services to help our customers meet their sustainability goals. Caterpillar has committed to ensuring all new products developed are more sustainable than their predecessors. We met this goal in 2023 and we plan to meet that goal every year going forward. At Progress Rail, we have developed a wide range of initiatives to improve sustainability of our locomotives, and we continue to invest heavily in this area. For example, Progress Rail has had many years of experience with biodiesel on our engines. We have approved up to B20 biodiesel on all of our 645 and 710 engines. We continue to work with customers with higher levels of biodiesel. And for example, here in Indonesia, our CC205 locomotives operate on B35 biodiesel. With these higher biodiesel blends, we closely monitor the engine and the component performance and review recommended maintenance intervals to ensure that the engines continue their high reliability with this higher biodiesel blends. We also have 2 natural gas solutions available for customers. Our dynamic gas blending, or DGB system, provides up to 60% gas substitution, and the engine can still run on 100% diesel, which gives the customer maximum flexibility. We also have our direct injected gas, or DIG solution, which provides 95% gas substitution. Both these systems provide equivalent power, performance and responsiveness to their diesel engine equivalent. We can also offer these solutions both on new locomotives or as retrofit packages on existing locomotives. Progress Rail is also a world leader in battery electric locomotives for freight application, with the broadest range of models in the market. We have delivered or have orders for 5 different EMD dual battery electric locomotives, ranging from 2.4 megawatt hour 4-axle shunting locomotives up to our massive 260-tonne 8-axle diesel battery electric locomotive with a capacity of 14.5 megawatt hours. This locomotive is designed for heavy haul operations and will be one of the largest battery electric locomotives in the world, if not the largest. Our battery electric locomotives provide outstanding performance with equivalent or better power and tractive effort to their diesel equivalents. And of course, they provide zero tailpipe emissions and ultra-quiet operation. Leveraging the work done by Caterpillar, our future battery electric locomotives will be powered by the same battery systems used on our Cat machines. Progress Rail also provide a wide range of charging solutions. We have 700 kilowatt and 1400 kilowatt fast charging systems using a reverse pantographs technology. The reverse pantograph ensures that there's a safe connection to the charging source to the locomotive. Included with the charging system is Wi-Fi enabled spotting system, which automatically guides the locomotive to the correct position for the pantograph. We also offer 100 kilowatt plug-in solutions for maintenance facilities and for where locomotives may be stabled. In 2023, Progress Rail delivered its first hybrid locomotive to our customer in Brazil. The hybrid locomotive provides the long-range advantages of a diesel-electric locomotive, but combined with the silent, zero-emissions performance of a battery locomotive in built-up areas or at stations or in tunnels. By combining the power of the engine and the battery together, the locomotive can operate in boost mode, providing additional power if required. Progress Rail continues to develop more hybrid locomotives and will be unveiling more hybrid locomotive models in the near future. Progress Rail has developed the world's first energy management system for freight applications utilising artificial intelligence and machine learning, known as TALOS. TALOS uses the track alignment data, the track speed information, train configuration and train load data to work out the most efficient way to drive that train whilst still meeting the timetable requirements. TALOS differs from other energy management systems in that it uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to develop the best way to drive that train, compared to traditional systems that respond to hard-coded software. This system enables TALOS to be more quickly deployed in new applications because it can learn the road through simulation and then through actual operation. Also, the artificial intelligence-powered TALOS allows for adaptability to changes in operations without the need for new software. TALOS has been in revenue service for 3 years and has demonstrated significant fuel savings and lowering of in-train forces. Another exciting and innovative product that we have is our Nitro suite of network planning and optimisation tools. Nitro Movement Planner provides automated network planning capability designed specifically for the customer's rail network and business rules. Nitro Movement Planner will immediately react to operational disruptions and instantly update the network plans which are optimised to the customer's business needs. Furthermore, Nitro Movement Planner allows for fine-tuning and customisation of the network plan based on new or temporary business rules. And it also has a simulation mode which allows planners to test different scenarios and to conduct what-if analysis before they roll out new operational plans. Our Nitro Pacing product ensures that trains arrive at crossing loops, destinations and stations just at the right time, thereby reducing energy consumption. Other Nitro products include a yard optimisation package, crew scheduling system, as well as systems that can integrate with ports and mines. Our Nitro suite of products was rolled out to our customer Rumo, the largest rail operator in Brazil. Following deployment of Nitro Movement Planner at Rumo, they demonstrated a 13% increase in network capacity without any additional rolling stock and without any changes to their track. The Nitro Pacing feature reduced waiting times and fuel consumption, and their Nitro Yard package reduced cycle time of wagons in the yard by 10%. Today, I've provided a brief overview of the Progress Rail products, services and some of the key new technologies that we have recently developed. I hope to meet you in the coming days and will be available to provide any further details if needed. I'd like to finish off with a short video showcasing some of the innovations Progress Rail has to offer to assist our customers in their journey to higher sustainability.
Caterpillar is a leader in heavy equipment, bringing you the latest in automation technology. Progress Rail is revolutionizing the rail industry with our advanced rail technology, leveraging the investment and expertise of our parent company, Caterpillar. Whether diesel or the dual battery electric series, our EMD locomotives can be equipped with Talos Train Automation, the only artificial intelligence machine learning-based controller in the freight industry. With 3 years of proven revenue service and 0 break-in-twos, Talos helps prevent derailments and mission disruptions, delivering safety and saving fuel. Our Nitro suite offers optimization of network and yard operations, enabling railways to make better decisions in real time, reducing congestion while increasing network velocity and railroad capacity. Our PowerView solutions, in addition to the event recording capabilities, use machine vision and sensor fusion to detect and monitor potential obstacles, aiding in derailment prevention. And with Uptime's remote monitoring capabilities and predictive maintenance, workers can track the locomotive's performance and health, preventing failures before they happen. We're with you all the way, providing industry-leading alternative energy options, including battery electric, hybrid locomotives, bio and renewable fuels, and hydrogen. In conjunction with Caterpillar, Progress Rail is investing in the next generation of automation and optimization to improve railroad capacity, keep everyone safe, and build a more sustainable future. Progress Rail. We keep you rolling.
Wait there, haven't finished. Lastly, I would just like to thank our hosts, PTKAI, for arranging this wonderful event. I'd also like to thank PTKA for their ongoing business with Progress Rail. We supplied our first locomotives into Indonesia over 65 years ago, and since then we've developed a very strong partnership with PTKAI. We at Progress Rail truly appreciate the ongoing business and the positive relationship that we have with PTKA and look forward to working together in the future. Thank you for your time and attention today, and I hope that you have a productive, informative and enjoyable 44th AR CEO Conference. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Matthew Tanwadi, for your enlightening presentation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, through that presentation, it is clear that technology does play a pivotal role in advancing sustainability, and we truly appreciate your valuable insights. And now, continuing with our session today, I'm pleased to introduce our next speaker, who will be discussing an overview, product and development, and providing us with further insights into the innovations and also advancements in our industry. With that being said, please join me in welcoming to the stage Mr. Wiwit Afrianto, International Marketing Specialist of PT Industri Kereta Api. The stage is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Excellencies, ASEAN Railway CEO from Malaysia, from Philippines, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Myanmar. And of course, Excellencies, Mr. Riddick Hartianto, CEO of PTKI, thank you for having us here, Pak, for this wonderful moment and event of RCO 2024. Delegates, observers, guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take this opportunity to highlight RCO 2024, an event that brings together key players in the Asian railway industry. RCO 2024 is not just a platform for sharing knowledge and innovations, it's a vital opportunity for collaboration across borders, shaping the future of rail transports in Asia. In this opportunity, allow me, Wiwit, on behalf of PT Inka, to explain a bit about our company, PT Industri Kereta Api, or Indonesian rolling stock manufacturer, about who we are, where we are, what we are doing, and what will be the next of PT Inka. Inka was established in 1981. Actually, last week on August 29, we are having our anniversary of 43rd of Inka has been established. So it's not really, it's almost the same with the RCO. RCO is 44, but Inka is 43. We are locating in Madiun. Madiun is a small city. It takes 8 hours trains to travel to Madiun. And we have 22 hectares of our factory. And then we also building our new factory in Banyuwangi. Banyuwangi just near to Bali. So it takes about 15 hours travel trains from Bandung to Banyuwangi. So, as mentioned by our Minister of Transport, that most of the passenger coaches and the wagons in Indonesia are built and manufactured in Madiun in our factory. This is our organization. So our President Director unfortunately cannot join the meeting. Mr. Eko Purwanto is our President Director, and then we have also Mr. Andi Budiman as our Finance Director. Mr. Ropik is our Development Director. Mr. Gede Agus Prayatna, he's here, join the meeting. as our operational director, and also Mr. Bambang Jatmika as our quality management director. So this is the milestone of PT Inka. So since we are established in 1981, we produce, the first is the wagon that we have the cooperation also with the Japan company. And then start from there, we also built the first passenger coaches in 1995. And then also is the first executive passenger coaches that we are proud of our product. And then since then, we began also to create or manufacture the self-propelled train. Until the latest one, we have cooperation with state-owned enterprise, also with the KI, to manufacture the LRT Jabodetabek that currently running in the main line in Jakarta. And then the latest product that currently we manufacture in our factory in Madiun is the new generation of passenger coaches that PT KI have the agreement with us, and we will deliver. We have delivered 12 train sets of it out of 56 train sets, and then we will finish by 2026. Hopefully, all the train sets will be handled to PT KI to operate in all over Indonesia. So this is the spectrum product of our PT Inka. So we manufacture the wagon. We can manufacture the flat wagon, the coal wagon, the pulp wagon. We also can manufacture that one. And then the passenger coaches, and the top one is this new generation that we mentioned before. And the green one is our product that we export to Bangladesh. And then we also produce the locomotive. The red color is our using in our domestic in Indonesia. And then the orange color is our PNR locomotive that currently running in the Philippines. And then this special vehicle, we also manufacture. Usually this special vehicle are using for these maintenance works. The top one is the TMC, track motor car, equipped with crane. And then the below one is the measurement car that using for the maintenance and measure all this rail and also the cable that lying at the above. The next one is the diesel multiple unit. We also export this diesel multiple unit to Philippines, and then we also deliver to PT KI and running in the main line. For the AMU electric multiple unit, this now currently running for the airport transfer in Jakarta and also in Solo and Yogyakarta. For the EMU, later on when we experience the whoosh, the feeder train are using our product, which is the diesel electric multiple unit, the green color. And then the latest one is the LRT, is a traveler's train that now is running in Jabodetabek in Jakarta area, and also the white color is running in Palembang. This is our domestic experience. As we mentioned before, we have the DMU, we have the LRT, we have also the EMU, hybrid train, and also these new passenger coaches. All these product, we have produced more than 4,000 wagons that currently running in our Indonesia, and then more than 2,000 cars for the passenger coaches. Self-propelled cars is more than 250. Locomotive is 5 units, and also the special car is about 27 cars that now are running in main line. This is for export experience. Some of the countries, some of the CEO are also attending this meeting. So the first one is Bangladesh. We have a long history with Bangladesh. We export to Bangladesh since 2005. More than 400 passenger coaches already running in the Bangladesh. Is the green color. So hopefully in the future we can also have working together with Bangladesh Railway to export our product. The next one is the Philippines. Thank you, Madam, for trusting us for export our product to Philippines. We have this DMU, diesel multiple unit, and also locomotive as a passenger car that now is also running in the Philippines. In Thailand, in 1998 and 2000, we export this ballast hopper wagon to Thailand for using for the building the track. And then also in Singapore, we export our product, the 20 units of well wagon with the LTA using our wagon for that time during the downtown line the downtown line for this Singapore line. In Malaysia, for KTMB, we also have a long history. We have export our flat car and also our passenger coaches that now running from border of Singapore to Thailand. And the latest one that our product is export to Australia and New Zealand. We already finished the 262 wagons to New Zealand, and also we are working on the 450 container flat top wagon. Hopefully we can finish by the end of the year. And then also last July we signed the contract, another 350 CFT wagon with our customer in Australia. So all this export experience we have delivered, and we also maintain and take care of our products so can run smoothly in the main line. Hopefully there will be the next year or next 2 years we can see Cambodia, also Vietnam, also Laos in our export experience for the next future. So next we will show our latest product. This is the new generation of passenger coaches that we manufacture 612 of passenger coaches. We already delivered 12 train sets. So there are 3 classes in this passenger coaches. The luxury class, there will be 26 seats, and executive, they have 50 seats, and economy 72 seats. It's equipped with a new and modern design, and then also we're working with PTKI to make sure that passengers are comfortable to enjoy the trip. Usually this train for the 8 to 10 hours trip, so we have to make sure that passengers are comfortable enough during the trip. Next is our freight carriage. So as we mentioned before, we can produce the flat wagon, we can produce also this coal wagon, ballast hopper wagon, and also the baggage car for any project in the future. This DMU we produce for domestic, and this one, the picture is for the PNR in Philippines. The DMU can run up to 100 km per hour, and now we hope in the future we can produce more and more to deliver in the ASEAN region. Next is our product, is the EMU. So this is the, now it's running for the airport transfer in Jakarta. So they have two types, TC and M car. For TC there are 40 seats, and M car there are 48 seats, and total it can, it has 272 seats running in one time. The next one is our DEMU, the green color. Now is also as a feeder for the Woods train from Padalarang station to Bandung station. So later on we can enjoy the interior also during the trip. It can run up to, the maximum is 80 km per hour, but the design speed is 100 km per hour. It has 46 seats, 56, and also 52 seats that can run in the same time. And this is the latest product, the LRT in Jakarta. This is the driverless train. We are working with all stakeholders, the state-owned enterprise, to manufacture this train, and working with all signaling system and all this infrastructure. And hopefully we can maintain so it can run smoothly in the Jabodetabek area. Maximum passenger capacity can be driven by this train is 1,480 persons, and the normal load is around 740 persons. So what we are having in the future as what RCO 2027 team is the sustainability and with digital innovation. So in next 2 years, we will start the smart train, and also we will combine the electric hybrid and fuel cell hybrid. So all this innovation, all this development, we are doing for the better and smart and green product that we can provide to our customer. So hopefully we can work together in the future, and PT Inka can always provide the quality products and as per what the quality requirement. We believe as RCO spirit, we can work together to enhance connectivity, sustainability, and efficiency in railway sector. So thank you, PTKI and all CEO and delegates. We look forward for working together in the future. Enjoy the moment, enjoy Bandung, enjoy our culture, enjoy our culinary, and last but not least, enjoy our hospitality. Thank you, good afternoon, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Mr. Wiwit Afrianto, for your insightful presentation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after hearing some very thoughtful insights from our speakers today, we have concluded the opening ceremony of the 44th ASEAN Railway CEOs Conference. And now it is time for us to have a lunch break. So with that, we'd like to invite you to join us in the dining area, which is located at the Jasmine Ballroom on the 2nd floor. And for your information, please to be informed of the following arrangements. The CEO's session will take place in Rosella Ballroom, while delegates and observers will be divided into 2 working groups, the Operation and Marketing Working Group and the Technical Working Group. For those interested in the Operation and Marketing Working Group, please proceed to Ballroom 2, and the Technical Working Group will take place in Ballroom 1. All sessions will commence simultaneously right at 1 p.m. and this will provide you with some time to enjoy lunch, to take a moment, to have a chat with your colleagues, to have your prayers, and also to relax. And with that, you can also view the detailed schedule of this event on the RCO 2024 application, which is available on your phone to be downloaded via the Google Play or the iOS App Store. Again, with that, hopefully with this opening ceremony, we have concluded. We wish you an enjoyable next few days of the conference. And again, we'd like to take this moment to recognize our sponsors who have played a crucial role in making this event a success. Thank you very much to Progress Rail Locomotive, PT Transavia Utama, PT Bukit Asam Tbk, PT Industri Kereta Api Persero, CRRC Qingdao Shefang, PT Imeco Inter Sarana, Pauto Piefang Chuangye, PT Mustika Indah Permai, PT Dizamatra Powerindo, Waptek Corporation System LLC, PT Bank Rakyat Indonesia, PT Bank Mandiri Persero Tbk, PT Bank Syariah Indonesia Tbk, PT Land Railway System, Voestalpine Railway System Asia Co. Ltd, CRRC Yangtze Group Co. Ltd, PT Siemens Mobility Indonesia, PT Pindad Persero, PT Golden Gate Borneo, PT Manambang Muara Enim,
PT Etika Sumber Alam, PT Adikarya Persero Tbk, PT City Vision, PT Sinergi Lestari Pratama, Indonesia Financial Group, PT Asuransi Jiwa IFG, PT Bank Negara Indonesia Persero Tbk, PT Asuransi Wahana Tata, PT Asuransi Jasa Raharja Putra, PT Winesti Citra Perdana, PT Baramulti Sugi Sentosa, PT Asuransi Jasa Indonesia Persero, PT Asuransi Kredit Indonesia, PT Jaminan Kredit Indonesia, PT BBR Syariah Baiturida, PT Telekomunikasi Seluler, PT Finet Indonesia, PT Budi Gema Gempita, dan PT Rintis Sejahtera. Thank you once again. We are truly grateful for your support and partnership. And again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your participation today. Again, me, Sasha Lauder, it is such an honor for me to stand before all of you, and we hope you will have an enjoyable time here with us in Indonesia. Enjoy your lunch, and we look forward to resuming after the break for more engaging discussions and networking opportunities. Enjoy your lunch, and we'll see you with the next agenda. Thank you very much, dan terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we'd like to kindly invite you to please come and join us for lunch together at the second floor. And we'd like to remind you to please check again all of your belongings, because for this ballroom, we will continue by rearranging it for the next session. Again, we have informed you for Ballroom 1 and Ballroom 2 will be rearranged for our next session today. For the two working groups, again, for the operation, a marketing group, and also the technical working group, which will take place in both ballrooms. So with that, we kindly invite all of you to please do leave this ballroom, as we will need the time to rearrange the seats, and please do check once again your belongings. Thank you very much, and we wish you an enjoyable lunch.